Here I have Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. For this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, the slot will pop out and you can eject it like this. So now here you have to insert your SD card, and here you have two slots for SIM cards. This one is the SIM 1 and this one is the SIM 2. So let's insert it to SIM 1 and then put this slot back into our device. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. And there's also a notification that SD card inserted, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.